Welcome guys. I'm going to show you how to change your location on TikTok. Now there is actually a catch to this. I am going to explain that in the end of the video, so make sure you watch to the end. Now to change your location on TikTok, go ahead and open the TikTok app. I already have it open and I'm currently on the profile area. Make sure you select the profile area on the bottom right. Now you click on the menu icon and then you choose settings and privacy. Now next you click on account. Then after that, you click on account information. Then from here, you are going to see where it says your account region. Click on your account region and you are going to see the all available location that you can change to. But then there is actually an information to this before I click on it. If you are moving to a new location, that is the only time you can do this. So if you move to United States, for example, you need to actually stay there for at least 60 days for it to change. If you did not stay there for at least 60 days, this is not going to change and update for you. So this is going to assume that you are still in your current state or you are not going to stay there for long. So whenever you choose the state and then it updates, you are going to see an information that says cannot update the region. To update this region, you need to meet the following requirements, which is you using the TikTok application in the United States for at least 60 days. So if you do this, that is only when you can change it to United States. So I hope this video is helpful. If it is, don't forget to smash like. I will see you guys on the next one. Stay safe and peace.